Hello guys, my name is Ketan and today I'm going to show you how to download Zoom in your laptop. So first of all we have to open this Zoom website called zoom.us. It is a URL. Just log in this website and then scroll down to the end of the page and then click on this download button. Once you click on this download button, it will redirect you to this download center page, and we have to click on this download button of a Zoom client for meetings. So click on this download button and it will start. It is 12 MB software. Just click on start download and it is downloaded now. So I'm gonna open this. It is initializing now and then it will install and install. It is installed now. So click on this join meeting. If you want to join this meeting directly, you can do this from right here. I'm gonna cancel it and I'm gonna sign in here. I don't have an account in Zoom right now, so click on this sign up here and I'm gonna enter here my birth date. It is August 8 and 1995. You have to enter your birth date here. And enter here your email address and then click on sign up. Solve this captcha and then verify. It is done now and we have sent an email to email address. So I'm gonna open my email and open this mail, activate account, and it is done now. Are you sign up for on behalf of a school? No, we are not a school, so no, and then continue. Enter here first name, last name, and password and confirm password. So enter first name, last name, and then password, and then confirm password and click on continue. Don't Zoom alone, so you have to enter email address or something, but we're gonna skip this step right now. So skip this step. Start your test meetings. We don't want to test a meeting right now, so go to my account and then it is my profile here. We don't need this profile right now, so close this and sign in here with my new Zoom credentials, email address and password, and then sign in. It is done and Zoom is open. Most of everything is done now. So here you can arrange a new meeting from here. Close this, leave a meeting, and then join a meeting. By the way, you can join a meeting without sign in. So cancel this, share a screen. You can share your screen from here and then schedule a meeting. You can schedule your meeting from here, so you can arrange a later meeting. Okay, so close this. Everything is done now for Zoom. It is installed in your laptop. Still, if you need any help from me, just comment below. I will help you all. So don't worry anything. Enjoy this Zoom. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.